Okay, this is June 29th, 2019. It's about 10 o'clock on Saturday morning. Temperature is 83 degrees and we're on our way to Hinesville, Georgia. And I just turned off the Georgia 126 onto this dirt road so I could hook up the camera. There's a lot of difference in the soil. We're south of I-16. This is a much sandier soil than the red hard packed clay up in North Georgia around Athens and Atlanta.
Take the next right onto County Road 84.
This County Road 84 will bring us back out on 126.
Continue on County Road 84 for half a mile.
We're headed southwest. We'll be turning back, I think, on 126. We'll be headed east. Google Maps says we are about, I think, 80 miles from Hinesville. 76 miles from Hinesville. I won't make this too long of a video, but a lot of people don't care anything about riding around on country roads or dirt roads, but I love it, so y'all can ride along with me or cut it off.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Georgia 126 East. Take the next left onto Georgia 126 East.
Buckle my seat belt back up. Birds are
Continue
singing.
on Georgia 126 East for 1 mile.
Running 45 miles an hour. Coming up to a stop sign up here.
In a quarter mile, slide right onto Georgia 19 South.
Yeah, Google Maps cracked me up this morning coming down 75. It said speed trap alert. Is it still here? Please tap if it is, if it's safe. And sure enough,
Take the next right onto Georgia 19 South.
2 state patrols had 2 people pulled over. 75 south. That's the first time Google Maps has ever said anything
Continue on
about
Georgia 19 South for 3 miles.
speed traps. Very pretty country down here. and level, not a lot of hills. I'll cut it off for now. We'll see if anything interesting comes up to turn it back on.